If you want to save picture from the text messages on your Android phone, here's how to do that. So first of all, make sure that you're using Google Messages because not all the messaging applications support this option. So let's open up our Google Messages. Usually it's pre-installed on all of the modern Android phones. Even Samsung switch to it. Now let's tap on our profile icon at the top right corner. First of all, make sure that this is the right profile. Now press Messages Settings, tap on RCS Chats, and let's activate them. So there we are. Now we have RCS turn on. Make sure that everything is activated here except for automatically resended. It's up to your taste. Now let's go back and let's choose a conversation with a picture. So there is a picture. How do we download it? Simply tap on it and tap on the download icon. You'll see the notification that one photo was saved to the messages. So let's check it out. If we're gonna open it up, it's gonna be just in our recents. So there we are. That's how you do that. By the way, the second person who's sending you should be using RCS chats as well. Otherwise, he just won't be able to send you the picture. And basically, that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.